DDT832 is a hard and brittle material wafer grinding machine consisting of 2 spindles and 3 chuck tables. The first feature is the reduction of eccentric loads. Grinding points are placed inside the slide to reduce eccentric loads. Also, the spindle arrangement was reviewed and the column was slimmed down. The full length has been shortened by approximately 23%. The second feature is the suppression of table deflection. We added a sliding mechanism to the table support, and deflection of the table itself has been suppressed. The third feature is the high power and high torque spindle. A newly developed spindle with a built-in high power motor maintains high torque from low to high speed rotation. This is a transport operation. When the wafer is removed from the cassette, the wafer surface is photographed by a camera. Check for phase shift, misalignment, engraving, etc. We also make corrections based on the captured data and put it in. After grinding, it is transported to the cleaning room to remove dirt. The wafer is lifted up by the ejection device and is delivered to the transfer hand without temporary placement. The powerful and compact DDT832 will meet your needs.